Most people think transformation comes from motivation, from willpower, from discipline. But lasting change rarely works that way. Real transformation happens when the body is supported. For thousands of years, people understood this. They used plants, not trends, not hacks, herbs. Herbal wisdom is not about fixing symptoms. It is about restoring balance. When balance returns, energy improves, sleep deepens, mood stabilizes, life changes quietly, but completely. Modern life overloads the nervous system. Constant stimulation, chronic stress. The body stays in survival mode, drains reserves. Herbs help shift the body back into regulation, not by force, by support. Let us start with adaptogens. Adaptogens are herbs that help the body adapt to stress. They do not overstimulate. They normalize. They balance. One powerful example is ashwagandha, used for centuries in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha supports cortisol regulation. Lower cortisol means calmer nerves. Calmer nerves mean clearer thinking, better sleep, more resilience. Another adaptogen is rhodiola, often used for mental endurance. Rhodiola supports focus and physical stamina. It helps when life feels overwhelming, when burnout creeps in. This is not stimulation, it is efficiency. Now let us talk digestion. In herbal wisdom, digestion is central. Poor digestion weakens everything. Herbs like ginger stimulate digestive fire. Peppermint relaxes the gut. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves, energy follows. You do not feel better because you try harder. You feel better because the body works better. Let us talk sleep. Sleep is the foundation of transformation. Without it, nothing holds. Herbs like valerian, passionflower, and chamomile. These herbs calm the nervous system. They signal safety. When the body feels safe, it rests. When it rests, it repairs. This is not sedation. It is permission to sleep. Herbal wisdom also supports the mind. Herbs like bacopa support memory and cognitive clarity. Lemon balm soothes anxiety. Without dulling awareness, clear thinking changes decisions. Better decisions change life direction. This is how transformation happens. Now let us talk consistency. Herbs are not one-time fixes. They are relationships. Taken gently, regularly, small doses, long timelines. This is slow power, and slow power lasts. There are safety principles. Herbal wisdom respects the body. It does not overwhelm it. One herb at a time. Observe responses. Pregnancy matters. Medications matter. Consult when needed. Always. Transformation is not about becoming someone else. It is about returning to yourself. Herbs do not force change. They remove obstacles. They support systems. The body does the rest. When energy stabilizes, motivation follows. When sleep improves, mood lifts. When digestion works, clarity returns. Life reorganizes itself. That is real transformation. If this resonated, like the video. If you want more herbal wisdom, subscribe. Have herbs changed your life? Comment below. Transformation is not distant. It begins with support. And now, you know where to start.